Well, just heading her home. How's she hanging tubes? It's been one of them hostile, kind of windy, really bad days out here. My goodness. Hostile. Snowstorms on and off. Wind like you wouldn't believe, like 100-kilometer-an-hour winds. Woo, mama. She's slippery out here too. So, just hitting her home. Really windy, as you can hear. It's been really violent all day. I'm surprised we still have power on. Woo. It's all pure ice right here. Oh, that's nice and calm. Oh, wait till the next one. I don't know if you can see how fast some clouds are moving, but she's pretty hostile up there too, I think. What a crap day. It's not too bad looking right now, but just violent windy day. My goodness, get you a good shot of some good wind here, hopefully. Oh, that's cold too. Good day to go home. But right now it's almost 5 o'clock, and look at how much sunlight we got left this time of year. This is nice. And yeah, we've been having snow. Looks like more coming. Here. Oh, I just lost my hat. Oh no! Watch, I'll get over here and pick it up, and it'll blow away again. Oh, that's gonna suck putting that back on. Oh well, it's winter time. Whoa, that's cold on a bald head. Holy crap. Oh, that's really cold when you yank her down more too. Oh. Well, it's not being too violent right now. Of course, when I start the camera, it's not terribly too bad. It's supposed to die down tonight, but oh, it has been one of them days out here, let me tell you. One of them windy days. Must be just wicked on the back roads and stuff. Oh, here comes some. There we go. Ah, we're gonna die. Holy crap, that is cold. Oh. Okay, we'll wait for one more. Here it comes. Oh, it is just so ice cold out here. My hands are freezing already. Shivering. Good set of a truck. Oh man, just one of them days, huh? Fun. Eskimos would love it. Me, not so much. Man, I tried India too, and you know what? It's only -5 out here. Holy jeez. Oh man, anyways, just to show you today, I wanted to show you this crazy weird weather. Man, we had it, what, -22 odd the other day, and then it warmed up to +9. Melted everything. And now it's froze down. Froze down again to about -10 last night. Whoa. Holy. And oh, windy and stormy kind of, and really gusty today. Really scary, actually. Scary weather. I thought for sure we'd have power outages, but nope. Got an interesting problem you guys will probably find interesting in the car. Nothing mechanical, which is interesting. 2 mice so far I've caught in the car. In my traps. Something was getting in through the vent system, in through the air cleaner, the air filter, paper filter, wrecked all that up, got inside. Didn't really do too much inside except leave turds all over the place, but then some little turd, I don't even know if I have a key with me, some little turd decided it was a good idea to, come on, anyways, doesn't want to focus for me. Some little turd thought it was a good idea, maybe it's open, some little turd, oh come on, there we go, some little turd thought it was a good idea to eat through the seat belt hole into the back of the trunk. There's nothing in the car that they'd be after. It's a warmth shelter, so they've made one hell of a mess in my car. Oh, here it comes again. Oh my goodness, it's freezing cold. Oh, I do have a key. There. So yeah, look at this. Little turds dug right through. They've even chewed into the bloody seatbelt, for God's sakes. I can't understand why. You know, maybe they're living in the car, or maybe the kids dropped some good junk down there and they're after that. I don't know. But yeah, like this stuff, they've chewed right into that and could be living in here for all I know. But anyways, so up here I put 2 traps down on the floor and I've caught 2 mice already, so that's a good thing. Turds. Oh, snowplow. Sweet. But anyways, that's enough of this crap. I'm freezing cold. Going home. You guys have a good one. I'll catch you all later. Have a good day.